We're off out this morning, aren't we?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Get a present.
Who for?
For Emmy.
Oh, for Christmas?
Yeah.
What kind of present do you think she'd like?
One can talk.
A talking present? Because there's not enough noise in our house, is there? No. You know how you're choosing a present for Immy?
Yeah.
Who's that dragon for?
Me.
So, how are you doing getting Immy a present?
I'm good.
Have you got her a present?
No.
Have you got you a present?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think we might need to work on your shopping skills. So, we're back from the shops. What did you get for Immy?
This.
Okay, and what does it go in?
This.
Right, and then what happens?
You have to open it.
Do you think she'll like the present you got her? What did you get for you?
A dragon.
It's quite a lot bigger than what you got, Immy, isn't it? But where was your dragon from?
From a shop.
Charity shop, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What does it do?
It rolls.
Oh my goodness!